Okay, take 5. I keep forgetting to add stuff to this opening. Friend Kevin said, head on down to Kendall County, get some shots along the river, some aerial views at the state park, which is Silver Springs. So that's where I'm at right now. It's a beautiful little park. It's along the Fox River, and also along the river is the Farnsworth house, which most of the time you can't see it unless you buy a ticket. It's behind trees along the river. But I think I got some aerial shots, and I have a picture also I took along the bank. So I will post it right here, the picture. There's toboggan hills, there's hiking trails, cross-country snowmobiling trails. It's just a beautiful little park. So if you're tired of walking the city streets in the wintertime, head on down to Silver Springs State Park right by Yorkville. Hope you enjoy. This goes out to Shannon and Brian. You know who you are. You like snowmobiling. Down at Silver Springs State Park down in Yorkville, there is snowmobiling. Right now it's perfect. The track is hard packed, and you can see that it has been used, but I don't see any bare spots. Now by the weekend we might get some rain and warm weather. I'm doing this on a Tuesday, but it looks like it'd be a lot of fun coming through here.